My name is Ghaziullah, registration number MLTF120212015. Today in my presentation topic Autoclave. Autoclave this presentation में हम पढ़ चुके हैं learning outcomes, out out Autoclave, components of Autoclave, types of Autoclave, working principle of Autoclave, operation autoclave, precaution of autoclave, care and maintenance। इस प्रेजेंटेशन में हम ये autoclave के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं। Autoclave introduction। Autoclave is a machine that provides a physical method of sterilization by killing bacteria, viruses, and even spores present in the materials put inside of the vessel using steam under pressure. Autoclave sterilization the material by heating them up to a particular temperature for a specific period of time. The autoclave is also called a steam sterilizer and commonly used in healthcare facilities, laboratory for sterilization of equipment, petri dishes, syringes, culture media, surgical instruments, etc. यानी ये ऑटोक्लेव का इंट्रोडक्शन है। ऑटोक्लेव एक लेबॉर्ट्री मशीन है, यानी बेसिक्स मशीन है। इसमें हम बैक्टीरिया की किलिंग करते हैं, यानी वायरस बैक्टीरिया जो भी पैथोजन है उसका हम किलिंग उस मशीन में यानी स्टेरिलाइजेशन के ज़रिए करते हैं। यानी ये Autoclave sterilize the material by heating them up to particular temperature for a specific period of time। यानी उस पे हम बैक्टीरिया या अदर वायरसेस स्टेरलाइज करते हैं, यानी स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर पर, यानी ये हम हीट करते हैं, यानी ये उसका हम किलिंग करते हैं। The autoclave is also called steam sterilization and commonly used in healthcare facilities laboratory। यानी ये जो ऑटोक्लेव है उस स्टीम स्टेरिलाइजेशन भी कहा जाता है। ये कॉमनली यूजेस उसका लेबॉर्ट्री में होते हैं। यानी स्टेरिलाइजेशन ऑफ इक्विपमेंट, petri dish, syringes, culture media, यानी सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्सेट्रा, यानी इसमें यानी ये लेबॉर्ट्री में यानी उसका इस्तेमाल होता है कॉमनली। और उसका जो कंपोनेंट्स है प्रेशर चैम्बर, यानी ये इसका फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट है। प्रेशर चैम्बर इज द मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ स्टीम ऑटोक्लेव कंसिस्टिंग of an inner chamber and outer jackets. The inner chamber is made of stainless steel or gunmetal, which is present inside the outer chamber made up of iron cases. The autoclave used in healthcare laboratories have an outer jacket that is filled with steam to reduce the time taken to reach the sterilization temperature. The inner chamber is the case where the materials to be sterilized are put. दूसरा जो कंपोनेंट्स है ऑटोक्लेव का, लेड डोर seals off the outside atmosphere and creates the sterilized condition on the inside of the autoclave। यानी ये लेड डोर है, इस पे हम यानी एटमॉस्फेयर जो है ये बरकरार यानी इस पे इसके ज़रिए हम रखते हैं। यानी प्रेशर गेज, यानी इसका ये भी कंपोनेंट है। प्रेशर गेज इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द लेड ऑफ द ऑटोक्लेव टू इंडिकेट द प्रेशर क्रिएटेड इन द ऑटोक्लेव ड्यूरिंग स्टेरिलाइजेशन। Vessel pressure releasing unit settle is present on the lid of the autoclave is the same as that of the pressure cooker. The settle controls the pressure inside the chamber by releasing a certain amount of vapor by lifting itself. Safety value. A safety valve is present on the lid of autoclave, which is crucial in cases where the autoclave fails to perform it. यानी स्टीम जनरेटर इलेक्ट्रिकल हीटर ये भी टुकड़ों का कंपोनेंट्स है इन इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टीम जनरेटर on boiler is present underneath the chamber that uses an electric heating system to heat the water and generate steam in the inner and the outer chamber to sterilize the material यानी वैक्यूम जनरेटर ये भी कंपोनेंट्स में आता है वैक्यूम जनरेटर इन द सेम टाइप in some types of autoclave a separate vacuum generator is present which pulls out the air from the inside of the chamber to create a vacuum inside the chamber. The presence of some air the presence of some air pockets inside the chamber might support the growth of different microorganisms. This is why the vacuum chamber is an important component of in autoclave. उसका जो टैप्स है autoclave का प्रेशर कुकर टैप लेबोरेटरी bench autoclaves in taps. This is in domestic pressure cooker are still in use in many parts of the world. The more modern tap has a metal chamber with a square metal lid that can be fastened and sealed with a rubber gasket. It has an air and steam discharge tap pressure gauge and safety valve. There is an electric immersion heater in the bottom of the chamber. Uh, Two taps gravity displacement tap autoclave. This is the common tap of autoclave used in laboratory. In this tap of autoclave, the steam is created inside the chamber where the heating unit which then moves around the chamber for sterilization. This tap of autoclave is compared to chamber in the other. Positive third number positive pressure displacement tap B tap. In this type of autoclave, the steam is generated in a separate steam generator, which is then passed into the autoclave. This autoclave is faster as the steam can be generated within a second. This type of autoclave is an improvement over the gravity displacement type. नेगेटिव प्रेशर डिस्प्लेसमेंट टैप्स यानी एस टैप ये फोर नंबर टैप्स है यानी autoclave का. This is another type of autoclave which contains both the steam generator as well as a vacuum generator. Here the vacuum generator pulls out all the air from inside the autoclave while the steam generator creates steam. The steam is then passed into the autoclave. This is the most recommended type of autoclave. It is the very required and achieves a high sterility assurance level. This is also the most expensive type of autoclave. Principle working. The autoclave works on the principle of a moist heat sterilization where the heat pressure inside the chamber increases the boiling point of the water and allows a higher temperature to be achieved. The usual temperature in time or autoclave are 121 centigrade and 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the volume and the type of the material. Sterilization control mechanism. Sterilization control which is used to determine effectiveness of sterilization are as follows. Bacterial spores. Bacillus stereothermophilus is an organism of choice whose spores require an exposure of 10 to 12 minutes at the 121 centigrade to be killed. Chemical indicator at 120 centigrade chemical indicator such as a pellet or red solution of brown sterilization control top turn green. How to operate. Turn on the autoclave and allow it to warm up. Load the material is to be sterilized into in the autoclave. Close the seal the door of the autoclave. Set the temperature, pressure and temp according to the manufacturer instruction. Start the cycle and wait for it to complete. Open the door of the autoclave after it is down. Precaution for autoclave personal protective equipment yani ice protection, lab coats, close the toy shoes, heat resistant gloves. Yani care and